Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fun with Olivia. If you are new here, this channel used to be called Makeup Fun with Olivia, but I changed it because I want to have all kinds of fun with you. I like makeup, I like skincare, I like nail polish, I like fiber, knitting, crochet, yarn. So I want to share all of that with you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my April YarnYAY subscription box, and it is very appropriately named Yay! YarnYAY. This is curated by Vickie Howell. She is amazing. If you don't know about her, look her up. She has a lot of amazing items. She's a designer. She's a fiber fanatic, just like we are. And so yeah, she has a subscription box. And if you haven't signed up, because I know some of you were mentioning to me that you were interested, this is the month to do it. Hurry before they run out. This is supposed to be an amazing box. She always does a video on the 3rd of every month to let us know what's coming. And there might be a couple of colorways, so we won't know what colorway we're getting, but we always know what goodies and what type of yarn we're getting. So that is super exciting. I just got my box today. The price of this box is a little pricier than most other yarn subscription boxes. It is $35 per month, plus shipping $6. So it comes out to $41 total for me. I know that's a little bit pricier, but for me, I love this box. Every single month that I have gotten, and I've been a subscriber for 3 or 4 months now, I make the patterns, I use the yarn, and it's so fun. The goodies are neat. And so the experience, and she always has either a fun yarn to try or a fun technique to try. I think in the past she's even had sock stuff, which I missed out on. I wasn't a subscriber yet, but I did learn how to knit brioche. I both knit and crochet, by the way. So, and the wonderful thing about this is that you get 2 patterns with your yarn subscription box. You get a crochet one and a knitted one. So I especially like that because that means 2 patterns for me. I both knit and crochet, but if you just do one or the other, then it still works for you. Anyway, let's jump into the box, shall we? Her signature color is teal. That's why the box is teal. By the way, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I always forget to say that at the beginning. Well, not always, but recently I've been forgetting. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I already know that this box is supposed to have like a Paris French kind of motif or theme. So, all right, let me take it out. Let me take it out. I'm so excited, you guys. Excuse the crimpling. Okay. So, Ooh La La, YarnYAY by Vickie Howell, box number 36. Yay, berets! Okay, so this is what the little pamphlet looks like. Let's jump into the yarn, shall we? Oof. Okay, there were different colors. No matter what color I get with her, I know she always has nice colors, but I really wanted the pink one, and I got the pink one! I wanted the pink, I think it's pink or purple, and I love purple, so I would have been equally happy. Okay, what is this called? Lorna's Laces is the name of the company. I love Lorna's Laces. If any of you saw my WIP-apalooza video, I'll link it down below in case you're interested. I had this old WIP with Lorna's Laces, so that's proof that I have loved Lorna's Laces for a long time. The name of the yarn is Honor, and the shade is Old Rose. Let me tell you guys, this is super soft. Oh my gosh. Okay, and this is why. 70% baby alpaca, 30% silk. Approximately 275 yards, 100 grams. Hand wash cool, lay flat to dry. You guys, this is super soft. Super soft. Love this. Okay, let's look at the other goodies. So one of the goodies is a pair of scissors. Oh, and I should put them this way. The Eiffel Tower. Oh, they feel nice. They're not too heavy, but not too light. They're just right. They feel very nice. Okay, we'll read a little bit more about those in a moment. We also got a stitch marker, a poodle stitch marker. Ooh la la. That's what it says on here. It says, this little knitting and crochet notion is not intended for children under 12. A crafty collab with YarnYAY and Firefly Notes. Okay, fireflynotesonline.com. And this looks like a Canadian address. So that's super cute. And then our third goodie, I saw this in her video. This is so cute. I forget, macarons. And so I don't remember how she opened it. Oh, there we go. Okay. So she had pink ones. I was kind of hoping for a pink or a purple one, but it's okay. Mine's orange. It's to put little notions in there. So you can put your stitch markers. This little stitch marker, for example, would fit in there, or whatever little trinkets you need to use for your knitting, your crochet, your beauty items. I don't know what beauty items. I don't know. But you could use it for whatever your little heart desires. Okay, hopping on super quick again. I missed a goodie. There was an extra goodie here. Knit Companion. Knit more, frog less. It's to wipe my glasses. Oh my God. Ooh, it's big too. Let's wipe them right now, because I completely needed this. Love it. Okay, let's read a little bit about the trinkets in here. So at the very beginning, she talks a little bit about the companies that she collaborated with, and she always tries to collaborate with either smaller businesses or women-owned businesses, indie brands. I love that about her because it introduces us to new brands. I was already familiar with Lorna's laces, but of all of the other boxes that I've received, I didn't know any of them. So I was introduced to new designers, to new small businesses. Okay, so this says, YarnYAY. Okay, let's look at the patterns. YarnYAY beret. I think this is French. Tricoter. That is super cute. Super, super cute, that picture. And then it has the pattern. And then, and here's another picture, and the inside leaflet, I guess just to keep it not so expensive, they don't staple that one in there, but you can see more pictures of the knit pattern. And then the crochet, oh, and the knit pattern is by Vickie Howell herself. And then the crochet pattern is called Sleigh Beret in Crochet by Janet Martiinez. I've never heard of her. So that's kind of cool. I will be checking her stuff out. And there's another small picture in the back of the crochet, the top of the crochet. So I'm excited to try these. I don't know, this yarn is so beautiful that I might use it for a scarf. But this beret looks so cute, doesn't it? Oh my gosh, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Oh, and let's go back. I get so excited, you guys. Okay, so Lorna's Laces. Get ready to be delighted this month with this month's yarn selection. Honor, a gorgeously hand-dyed baby alpaca and silk. We're featuring 2 springtime colors, Old Rose and Curie. Yeah, the other one is the purple one. Lorna's Laces is a Kentucky-based business owned by Amanda Jarvis. Learn more at lornaslaces.net. Okay, now a little bit about the patterns. Well, I already told you who designed them, so let's skip on to the Macaron Notions box. Is by Laura HandKnits. A sweet little macaron shaped box will keep stitch markers and other small notions together and adorably organized. Laura HandKnits is a Georgia-based woman-owned company. To learn more, go to etsy.com/shop/Laura HandKnits. Of course, I'll put it all in the description box down below. And then the French Poodle stitch marker is by Firefly Notes. Your project will have a certain pedigree with stitches marked by a French Poodle. Firefly Notes is a Canadian-based company owned by Sandry Barrich. And then the Eiffel Towers are from YarnYAY, it says. So I don't know where they had these made, but I thought they were from a small business, and I guess they had them made just for us. So I'm super excited about this. And oh my God, let me get one last feel. Oh my God, this is so soft, you guys. I'm so excited. All right, so I hope you enjoyed my April 2021 YarnYAY box. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I am so happy with it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for visiting, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, before I forget, I did put a referral link down below so that you can get a discount if you do want to sign up. If you don't want to go through my referral link, that's perfectly okay. You can go directly to yarnyay.com. But if you do sign up through my link, you get a discount and I get a discount. It's a win-win, but completely up to you. No pressure. Just wanted to let you know. All right. Thank you guys. Bye. Popping on super quick again. I missed a goodie. There was an extra goodie here. Knit Companion. Knit more, frog less. It's to wipe my glasses. Oh my God. Ooh, it's big too. Let's wipe them right now, because I completely needed this. Love it.